So, now today in this session we are going to learn about gravitation. Gravitation, you see the heading, the universal glue. That means all matter in this universe is attracting each other by a universal force, that is gravitation. Out of all four forces of nature, four types of interaction, gravitation is the weakest force, and sometimes it dominates. So, the story of gravitation, our study of gravitation became with the works done by Newton. So, Newton developed the whole theory of gravitation and all the mechanics in his famous book Principia. So, Newton first conceived the idea that all matter in this universe attract each other by a universal force called gravitation, and he could explain that a mass m1, suppose this is a mass m1 that can act on a mass m2 without any physical contact. So, there is no physical contact required. So, two masses, all masses, any masses without any physical contact can also apply force on each other, and this mechanism of force is called, this type of force is called action at a distance. So, two masses without any physical contact can exert force on each other, and this other by action at a distance. He used to call this mechanism action at a distance. So, two bodies does not require a physical contact. If they are far away, then also they can attract each other by action at a distance. Nowadays, in the modern interpretation, we assume that the masses exchange some particles called gravitons. So, gravitons are small particles just like photons. The exchange of these gravitons causes the attractive forces between masses. So, now let us see Newton's law of gravitation, that is the inverse square law.